Are there reliable alternatives to painter's tape for getting clean caulking lines when tape is not available or suitable? The most practical tape-free method is a wet finishing technique using a dampened finger to smooth the bead, which requires running a uniformly sized bead first, and keeping the fingertip just moist enough to prevent silicone from sticking. Use a steady pace and maintain constant pressure so the bead spreads evenly. Practice controlling speed on scrap material to train muscle memory. A silicone finishing tool with multiple radius edges gives repeatable results and reduces the chance of gouging the bead. So choose the radius that matches the joint width and drag the tool along at a consistent angle. For polyurethane or latex caulks that skin quickly, work in short sections and keep the cartridge tip clean to avoid ragged starts and stops. For glass, tile, or glossy surfaces, consider using a plastic or nylon putty knife wrapped with a thin glove to pull the bead smooth without leaving tape residue. When joints are irregular, backer rod can be inserted first to create a uniform depth and provide a guide for a straighter bead. Select the rod diameter slightly larger than the gap so it compresses and supports the caulk. Common mistakes include running an uneven bead by changing speed or pressure, which you fix by practicing slow, steady application and using tool guides to maintain uniformity. Leaving wet caulk to skin before smoothing causes tearing and stringy edges, so always finish each section immediately and clean excess promptly with the appropriate solvent for the caulk type. Using the wrong tool radius or angle can create concave or lumpy joints, so match the tool profile to the joint width and keep the tool at a slight forward tilt while maintaining consistent contact. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors and post project details so contractors can discover work that fits their skills and service area. We also host a discussion community where users share techniques, tool recommendations, and real-world tips on caulking and other line control tasks.